Hey everyone, it's Willow and Daddy here, except I have no Willow today, so it's just me. I'm out with the puppies. They are just coming up to 7 weeks old and they are grumpy puppies today, or they were before, but they've just cheered up. They were kept fighting amongst themselves. So now they are running around like dafties. The other two are under there. Go on, pups! Pups! Let's go and see if we can get them too. Come on, pups! Come and play. No, you don't eat that. That's not nice. And here they are. Come on, pups! Come on. They have great fun together. Sure, they'll miss each other when they go to their homes. But just now, they can still have lots of fun. Can't even get them to stay in one place. Ah, cutie pies. See, grumpiness again. Patchy patch. Patchy 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 patchy. No grumpy. No grumpy patch. No grumpiness. Come here. Oh, who's that now? Playing puppy games together. All good fun. So hopefully we'll have a video or two more before they start disappearing to their new homes. But for now, bye bye. Hi! Let that go. Hi! Puppy playing. Bye!